it's Natalie. Welcome to another video. Today I'll be sharing how I'm creating a spring staycation bucket list. So I still have online school, but I have a lot more free time now, so I thought I would write down a bunch of fun activities that I can do while staying home. So first off, I laid out all my stickers on one sheet already, so you guys didn't have to watch me do that. That took a while. And so I'll quickly run through where each sticker is from, and I also have some to the side. So first off, I have the Bookish thin sticker book, and I took a book from that and a letter. Next, I have the Squad sticker book, and I took the cute flowers, the coffee, and the girl. The spring has basically all the spring themed stickers on it. Radiate Positivity has that takeout sticker. Social Talk has the emoji. Mood Tracking has all the little boxes and the 2 circles. And then Bookish has the rest. The paper I'm using is from this Wrong Wrong Happy Notes. So let's jump in. I'm using these foil alphabet stickers to write out Staycation. Look, editing magic. So I'm also putting a little washi strip on either side just to make a cute little banner header thing. So now I'm just going to go in and put my stickers down, and this is self-explanatory, but I'm just kind of tell you what each thing is in case you want to make your own. So I have a Let's Have Brunch sticker, so I can have brunch at home. Then I have a Read a Book Outside sticker. And then the next one I'm putting down is Write a Letter to a Friend or Family Member, because that's always fun. Next, I am putting this coffee sticker down, and I am writing Make Your Own Starbucks Drink. I've always wanted to do that, and I just got some vanilla syrup at the store, so I'm excited. Now I'm putting down these little boxes, so I have Make Some Art, Take a Nap, and Do a Puzzle, which are all amazing things. And then I'm putting down this Choose Happy sticker, and I'm writing All Day, Every Day, and it doesn't have a check box next to it. But it's just like a general thing to do in spring, and especially when you're staying at home. The next sticker I'm putting down is Do Yoga Outside. And then I'm putting down Have a Lunch Date at Home. Next, I'm putting down Have a Picnic and Plan Outside, and so I think I'm going to spread out a blanket in my front or backyard and just sit and plan. Now I'm putting this Treat Yourself sticker and writing Self-Care Sunday, and so I'll probably do a face mask and read some magazines. Now I'm putting down these 2 cupcake stickers, and I'm writing Bake Cupcakes or Another Treat, because that's really fun. I just bought some cookie mix at the store today. Then I'm putting down this takeout sticker to remind myself to get takeout from my favorite places. I'm getting takeout from my favorite taco shop tonight, and I'm so excited. Okay, so now going on to the back, I'm putting a Let's Stay Home sticker for decoration, and then I'm putting an Eat Dinner Outside sticker, so I think that would be really fun. I remember doing that as a kid, and it was always fun. So now I'm putting down make a vision board, go dancing, and go for a walk. So for the go dancing, I'll probably just put on some music and dance in my room, but it's the same thing. Now I'm putting this box sticker, and I'm going to write Take an Online Class, because there's a lot of places that are now having free online classes, so you can learn different skills like sewing and stuff like that. So I really want to do one of those. And then I'm putting down Family Movie Night, and I wrote Candy, Popcorn, the whole deal, because that is always fun. Now I'm putting down the Spring Clean sticker, and then I'm writing down Play Cards / Games. I love family game night, so I put that on there. And then I added a decorative sticker, and now I'm putting down some more to do. So I wrote Get Some Sun, Memory Book, or Try New Food. And I really want to try new recipes. I bought ingredients for ratatouille today, and I've always wanted to make that since I saw the movie. So now I'm putting down this No Posting, No Liking, Just Living, and I want to do a 24-hour detox. And then the last thing I'm writing is Try a DIY, and then the rest of the stickers are decorative. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and watch to the end if you want to see it up close. Bye!